Motorhead Garage, the program that each week introduces you to and shows you how to install the latest in exciting and innovative products for your vehicle. Now here's your host, Dave Dobson.
We are Motorhead Garage, presented by Dragonfiretools.com. And this may look familiar to you. This was done on an AP Lazer, and if you've seen the show before, you know just how many different things you can do for your automotive business, for your customization business. Well, now, Aaron, AP Lazer has become even more versatile. That seemed impossible to me, but what have you done?
That's a great question, Dave. What we've done is, in addition to our lift cart access and our Z-table access control, we've added what's called a low rider carriage feature to it, which will actually move the whole laser head up and down, in addition to the Z-axis. So you can do it with the Z-axis, or you can pull the Z-axis table right out and lower this all the way down to the floor or to whatever piece you're working on.
Oh, and you can control it right from the phone.
Yes, you can control it remotely from your phone as well. There's an app that's available.
And so what does this enable us to do? The AP Lazer has this open architecture. You can slide things in and out. So what kind of things are people working on when they do this?
Well, when we're working on this, we have demonstrated here, we have flooring. So you might move it to a spot on your floor, in your shop floor, where you want to put your logo or something of that nature on it. You might slide something on the floor, a door or a large car part that you can slide underneath, whether it be a hood or a fender, something like that, where you can set it on a cart. You don't have to raise the cart up. You can just lower the machine right down to the cart, so you don't have to worry about spacers and stuff like that. And then if it's an uneven piece, then we just use our 4-corner leveling system. Each leg has a screw leg here. So we just go around choosing 4 points of the corner on the piece and then level each corner to make it flush for the laser engraving.
And we know with everything automotive, you have body panels and that sort of thing. Everything is curved. So once you get it leveled out the way you need to with the AP Lazer, how does the laser actually work with those contours and curves?
With the contours and curves, there's focus lenses that come with the laser. And it comes with a standard 2-inch lens, but we have additional lenses available that will allow you to do a range of distance. So you have several inches, a few inches plus or minus to engrave over a curved surface based on the focal length of the laser. So if you have a curved fender or body panel, something of that nature, the effective range of the laser is actually changed to allow you to do the uneven surfaces.
Now, we've seen with the AP Lazer, we've seen hoods actually that we've put under here. We've done doors and just complete sides of an automobile, along with some other smaller parts too. So there's tons of materials you can do on the AP Lazer. What are some of the different uses that people are doing to grow their business?
A lot of folks share tools, which are usually from the same vendors that come around to the shops. So they just want to identify them, so they might put initials. It could be, we did a couple episodes ago, we did motorcycles, we did windshields and seats. And then getting outside of that, people are really expanding into other industries, whether it's sign making or monument making. There's all kinds of stuff that are outside the automotive industry that it really gives you endless options for doing things, like woodworking and stuff like that.
And chances are, if you have a small business, you're very entrepreneurial. So you're thinking ahead of the game and how you can diversify. So it's a lot of the business people you talk to. What are some of the things that make the AP Lazer appealing to them?
Well, we have, some of our customers, one of our customers started as just a sign company, but now he's had to drop the signs from his title because he does signs, he does tumblers, he does coolers, he'll do customization of almost any product you can really think of. So it makes it easier for people to come to you and say, hey, can you engrave this for me? Yes, I can, rather than you saying, I engrave tumblers, now let me go find a tumbler customer.
Makes sense. And you can switch materials and you do it so easily. What if you can't figure that out? What if you have an issue with it and you need some help?
We have our world-class 24/7 tech support team, multilingual, and it's all Northern American based in United States and Canada. But they're not just tech support, they're customer support. You call them, you're up 3 in the morning trying to grind something out and you're confused. You call, you get a customer support rep or a technician. They walk you through whatever you're doing. They give you some guidance on speed and power settings or file setup and kind of help move you along so you're not burning hours of your time trying to figure something out. There's also our AP Lazer user group, which is exclusive to our AP Lazer owners and users. Everyone's trying to help. It's a community. We call it the AP Lazer family, and it really is a family environment. Everybody wants to help each other be successful, and everybody likes to contribute in that community to helping each other. So a lot of times before a tech or customer support rep even has a chance to get back with you, you've already got all the answers from the community.
Well, whether you want to start a new business or diversify your existing business, make it grow bigger and bigger, AP Lazer is the place to start. You can find them at aplazer.com. And you can find more Motorhead Garage presented by Dragonfire Tools.com just around the corner. Come on back.